I'm like definitely agitated right now because I'm having fucking anxiety. I'm having the worst anxiety right now, I'm not kidding. Due to my fucking work and Uber situation. Like I'm a full-time content creator now. I need to leave this job. Because it's making me just in this financial fucking pit. Like I don't know how I'm gonna manifest $250 by Sunday. I'm not kidding. I'm really annoyed. Like I'm over it. I'm annoyed right now. I'm not kidding. I'm gonna keep that in because everyone just be thinking that you need to be positive all the fucking time to manifest. I'm keeping that in. I'm having like a breakdown today. I'm not kidding. I hate my job with a burning passion. I can't do it. Like, I'm just tired of spending $60 plus each way to my job for, like, I hate it. Like, I'm working for free. Like, my paycheck from that shitty job doesn't even cover my Uber expense. And now I'm like, I can't. I'm gonna, okay. Imagine, this just intrusive thought just came to me. Imagine if you were as obsessed with yourself as you are with that DICK. That DICK, that kitty cat, whatever you might be into that you can't literally get out of your brain. Oh my God. Imagine the shit that you could accomplish and imagine the powerful presence you would have if you literally became that obsessed with yourself. If you became as obsessed with yourself as you are with the ICK. I'm just calling it for what it is, okay? Aren't you so effing tired of waking up miserable? Every day, like as your default. Obviously, you guys are seeing me have a very, very anxious, stressful day. But I'm talking about as your motherfucking default, bitch. Like waking up, immediately hating your life, feeling like shit about yourself, hating the way that you look. Every single second of every fucking single day. Aren't you tired of that, bitch? It is literally 2025. It's over. It's done. I don't want to see it anymore. Just like I don't want to see this fucking fuzz in my beard anymore. Okay. I'm going to give it to you straight, okay? Even though I'm not straight, I'm going to give it to you straight. So I look so toned on camera. I have the best cheekbones. My face is getting slimmer with every second of every single day. Every second of every single day, fat is melting off my body. My stomach is disappearing. And I'm getting abs and I have muscle. I'm just the sexiest person to ever walk this fucking planet. I don't give a fuck if you're going through money issues. I don't give a fuck that you're going through money issues or anything. You're still fucking worthy. And guess what? If you have to quit your job, you have to quit your job. Who cares? Okay? You deserve to be financially abundant. Keep posting your content. Stop giving a shit about your work. They don't give it, the corporate doesn't give a shit about yourself. And that's what you gotta do when you're angry. Nail that shit into your brain, bro. Use that anger. But anyway, I'm gonna give it to you motherfucking straight. Okay? You need to get up. You need to do the change. You need to change. You need to change. You need to change. You need to change. The amount of people that leave comments under my post, the amount of people that come to me for coaching because they want an ex back, and the miserable fucking state you guys are in. And I'm not yelling at you. I'm just angry. I'm tired. I'm anxious right now. It is what it is. Okay. Take it for what it is. Okay, this is the harsh truth, and maybe you need to hear it like this because I feel like you've been like yelling at yourself too. Your main priority should be fixing your miserable fucking ass. Because yes, what happened to you, what the world did to you, what that fucking shitty ex, shitty person, shitty family member did to you, it's horrible. Okay, but guess what? We are adults now. We need to take charge of our own well-being, our emotional fucking state, bro. Take the DICK out of your mouth for 5 seconds. Put their text messages on mute for 5 seconds. Forget about them for 5 seconds. It's just DICK. You don't even like these people, okay? You don't like this person. You just like not being alone, okay? You don't like this person. You just like not being alone. You want to go in bed, not alone, but with someone next to you because you don't like yourself. You don't like yourself. You don't want to hear your thoughts. You don't want to hear the emotion. You don't want to feel the emotion. You want to feel numb. You don't want to pay attention to yourself. And that is the problem, bitch. That is the problem, bitch, right? The first thing you're going to do is force yourself to do some shit. Because when you're miserable, yes, you're not going to want to meditate. You're not going to want to do this. You're not going to want to work out. You're not going to want to work on yourself. You're going to want to be the victim. But guess what? God, fuck. I'm annoyed. The icons only manifest seeing me. So if you're seeing me, bitch, your soul's an icon, okay? So we're not identifying as a boring, bed-rotting loser, bum anymore, because you're not. If you're seeing me, I'm sorry. I believe in like vibration attracts like vibration, so I don't care if you felt like a bum your whole entire life. That is not who you came to this earth to be, okay? Do you hear me, what I'm saying? Okay, so I need you to get some sort of morning routine down for you, okay? You're not rolling out of bed at 2 p.m. You're not rolling out of bed 5 minutes before you go to work and you don't even have time to scrub your smelly ass, okay? No, you're coming up with some sort of morning routine that works for you. You're putting yourself fucking first, you sexy ass icon. And if you need help with that, if you want help with that, my Iconic Healing Masterclass is only a little bit more than a cup of coffee right down below in that stand store. Okay, it's a self-study thing, so you can go at your own pace, but it's not overwhelming. It's short, to the point, sweet, and magical. We talk about everything that I do. We talk about glamour magic. We talk about intention setting. We talk about gratitude. It comes with a gratitude worksheet. It comes with a follow-along EFT tapping, and it's only $12. Don't start with me, okay? But of course, you don't need that. Come up with a routine. I'm not gonna sit here and say my whole morning routine, because it differs, but there are non-negotiables. So these are the things that I do every day. I brain dump, which is just grabbing a motherfucking notebook and you write any sort of anxiety, any negative thought, anything that you are waking up with, you write at least 2 pages. And what this is doing, it gets that anxiety, anxious, rattle brain thoughts, those non-stop thoughts, those negative feelings that you wake up with, it's getting it out of your head and on paper. Don't worry, this is not manifesting. Don't worry. It's just getting it out on paper, and you'll feel a lot more clear. And then I will do an EFT tapping, and then I will work out. Those are my 3 non-negotiables. So if I'm rushed for time, those are the things I have to get in. And then sometimes if I have a little bit more time, I'll do a breath work in the morning. If I wake up before my alarm, I'll do a breath work. I'll do a yin yoga flow. I've been really trying to make a yoga flow in the morning. And also a non-negotiable, because I really love feeling stretched out. To me, it does more than just stretch out the body. Like, releases those negative emotions that my body might have been working through in sleep, right? So I really love it. Yes, it stretches me out. It gets me like ready for the day. Like, I'm not like tight and lazy and cranky because I'm stretched out. I feel good. But it also releases, like, it really helps me with my anxiety, like yoga, yin yoga, all that stuff. All right, but you guys know, what do you want to do? You can journal, you can do everything I just listed. You can also add some journaling, you can do a visualization, you can maybe go for a walk outside and talk to your spirit guides or talk to God, like whatever makes you feel the most at peace, whatever it kind of means when I say fill up your own cup, put yourself first, put yourself first. But of course, in that Healing Masterclass, we dive deeper into all the things, especially when I filmed this, it was about 2 years ago. I was really, really, really deep into my morning routine. I might have even filmed this during lockdown, so I had a little bit more time. But again, now my morning routine is a lot more shorter, my non-negotiables. But a big thing that has been helping me is doing EFT tappings throughout the day and as a transition. So basically, long story short, a problem that I've been suffering with is comparison, which led me to imposter syndrome, which leads me to like dissociating when it's time to move on to certain things, certain creative projects, certain tasks. So for example, it used to take me like an hour before going live because I would just sit there and say, why am I even going live? Nobody wants to talk to me. No one's interested in me. They all want to use me for free readings. And even though I do free readings, some lives, I need to make money to get to work. Like, I really do believe in what I'm saying. I know that I'm a good person, but nobody literally, like, nobody cares about me. They all just want to use me. They all just want to take my energy, right? I would get lost in these thought spirals, and then it would end up with me dissociating, and then I'd be so excited to film hours later, but then when it came to editing, I was like, what's the point of editing this? No one's gonna see it. No one's gonna care. No one cares. I suck. No one cares. And clearly I'm still in the identity of, loser. That's my way of saying it. Just like a boring worm loser, bitch. But Diana, you were born to be iconic. So what I really noticed that EFT tapping really helped me with my nervous system. And so I was like, okay, let me just like squeeze EFT tappings wherever I could. And that led me to doing it as like a short transition into the next thing. So I'll do one before I go live. I'll do one after I go live. I'll do one after I film, and then to kind of and it really just keeps me aligned. It regulates my nervous system, and it kind of gets rid of that imposter syndrome, because it's resetting me, it's recalibrating me, it's making me feel safe, it's calming my body. Like, no, we're good, right? So doing that has really helped me, and I still do it. So I'm not telling you have to do like that. You know what I mean? I'm telling you to find a routine, no matter what it looks like, no matter how weird, if it helps you and if it feels good to your soul, if it aligns you, if it puts you in a good mental space. Like, that is the routine that works for you. Come up with a time frame, come up with non-negotiables meaning like, hey, if I wake up like a little bit rushed for time and I don't have time to indulge in a long morning routine, these are at least the 3 things that I'm doing every single morning before I step into the world. Become obsessed with yourself. Become obsessed with yourself in that way. Body, mind, and soul. The next thing, bro, become obsessed with yourself, meaning like you should feel safe expressing yourself in this beautiful, magical, abundant motherfucking world, bro. That's just the truth. Yes, shit happens. Shit's crazy sometimes, but you need to see life through an abundant lens, bro. The universe, Jesus, God, whatever, is moving everything to work out in your favor. Everyone loves you. Everyone's nice to you. The world is an amazing place, period, okay? Does that mean we have to be like neglectful to things going on and to like not give back to causes and to situations and events that happen in the world? No. But like, you know what I'm trying to say? Like, just stop walking around with that miserable, woe is me, victimhood, my life sucks mentality. See it as like, no, like I get to help, I get to inspire, I get to give back, I get to be happy. Like, this should be the default. Does that mean you're gonna be it every second of every single day? No, but it should be the default. It should be the majority of the way, right? Instead of waking up feeling miserable. But I'm stop veering off the track. The next thing I want to talk about is, again, your expression. So start wearing and playing with your personal fucking style, bro. Icons are icons, and I agree with the I agree with the argument of like, it's not what you wear, but it's how you feel. So if you feel like confident in sweats and like a messy bun, do your thing. But I think I'm talking to the icons, bro. Like, if I had all the money in the world right now, I would be wearing glittery pastel suits. Like, Benson Boone literally jacked my motherfucking style. And the only reason why he did it first was because he had the money first, okay? But yeah, no, I would wear like pink pastel suits and glittery suits and just be hot as fuck, okay? That's why I get so excited to work out, because I know that I'm putting in the work to morph my iconic self and my self right now together, bro. So when I'm on stage and I look good as hell, with my tattoos and just like my fucking muscular body and my smaller stomach, it's like, yep, I knew this was going to happen, so I put in the work like 3 years ago, 2 years ago, whatever, right? So figure out your personal style, like icon. Like, you are an icon, start dressing like an icon. Start doing your makeup like an icon. Like, start taking care of yourself. If you want to come up with like a pamper routine, like every other Friday or every Sunday, come up with routines that make you feel good. And don't let anyone fucking make you feel like becoming obsessed with yourself is selfish. Having a skincare routine is selfish. Putting pride into how you dress so you can feel good for yourself and be a better person in the world then, because you're just happier, so you're happier to everybody else around you. It's not selfish. Something that I'm dealing with in my personal life, okay? So yeah, another way you can become obsessed with yourself is having a good skincare regimen, keeping up with your beauty if that's something that you like. You know, finally wearing the sexy clothes that make you feel good and electric inside and make your inner icon do some shit, like revive her. Like, you know, like I'm feeling like you're about to be revived. Like, you're about to get your spark back. You're about to get your main character energy back. You're about to get your iconic energy back, right? If you guys want to work with me, down fucking below. I'm not kidding. Work with me one-on-one. I'm not kidding. Like, the next thing, like, you want to be a singer, you want to be an actor. I don't care if you want to be a plumber. I don't care if you need to study your craft. Yes, you do. Okay, so I'm reading, I'm learning, I'm studying about music production, about vocal technique. Yes, I am. What's your craft? You need to study your craft so you can build up the confidence and you can share it with the world. And so you can just be sharp, so you can just have knowledge, so you can just be wise. Like, get obsessed about your craft, about your talent. I don't care if you want to sing and everyone in the past has told you suck. Well, guess what? You invest, you learn, you get better until you don't suck anymore, okay? It's that easy. People tell me, people made fun of me when I would do the talent shows because I would be extra. I would put my whole dick into that performance. And because the vocals didn't really match up with the energy I was giving off, people were like, who is this guy? Who does he think he is? People were making fun of me. But I was singing before I even came out of my mother. So it's like, this is something that I obviously love to do. And I'm not going to give that dumb or little rodents, numbskulls, losers, ants, worms. What is a worm? A worm is someone that just like is there. Like is there. Like a worm is just there. It's a worm. It's there. It just doesn't do anything. And I'm sorry. That's why they're still pumping gas and living in their high school town. Okay? I'm not going to stop singing because the losers like them. It made me feel like I was untalented. Okay, I could have definitely sucked then. No one's denying that, but I deserve to get better. I deserve to suck. But I deserve to evolve and get better if this is my motherfucking dreams. Who are you to tell me that I can't do something, you ugly loser? Okay, that's it. Like, people told you couldn't do something, well, learn it, study it, period. Get better at it, and shock the world, you know? Sometimes I just forgot that my life is not altogether. See, that's just what I get so inspired. Then I remember that I don't know how I'm getting to work on Sunday. I don't know how I'm getting to work this week. Universe, thank you for $250. Universe, thank you so much for $250. Universe, you did it. Go to the gym, bitch. Like I said, I think going to the gym should have its own little section right here. Go to the gym, bitch. Okay, and I'm not really talking about going to the gym so you can look hot. I'm saying go to the gym because I remember that shit's fucking saved me, bro. And of course, it's not therapy. If you need help, get help. But I'm here to be honest. Going to the gym has fucking saved me, bro. Has fucking saved me because when I'm pulling those weights, I'm like, okay, and I'm using that anger. It's a healthy avenue to release anger, to release frustration. And when you're running like hell, you're letting out that anger. You're using it to like burn off fat. You're using it in a productive way. And it really made me believe in myself because obviously I was seeing, I felt better mentally because I was active. And obviously over time, I was seeing myself like losing weight. And I was like, John Anthony, I'm so proud of you for like taking charge of your life. I'm so proud of you for not giving up on your journey when there were so many moments you could easily play the victim and give up. But you kept going, you kept enduring the pain, and now you're getting hotter mentally and physically because of the pain. You used it to help you, and now you're losing weight, now you're doing amazing, now you're feeling happier. You should be proud. You should be proud, right? And then obviously as I started losing weight, this isn't the best, but I did start loving myself more. I think that's just the truth. Like, I was miserable when I was fat. Obviously I'm not skinny, but I was miserable when I was fatter, and losing weight, it really did make me like learn to like love myself, love the process, love how far I've come, like feel good about myself. And you guys know, like, self-love is the key. Like, when you love yourself, when you feel good about yourself, like everything just starts to fall into place. Make it a vibe. Get that cute workout set. Get that cute workout gear. Get the cute workout shaker bottle. Get the cute pre-workout. Make your life a vibe. That's what I'm saying. Icons make their life a motherfucking vibe. It's an icon, okay? Icons, they put on sexy outfits. They put on, I don't care if it's blazers, if it's a gown, if it's high heels, if it's a suit. Icons, like, they are iconic, and they strut down everywhere they go, knowing that they deserve to be there. They deserve to breathe the air. They deserve to fucking feel good and sexy. Yes, I don't care if you're going to the fucking coffee shop. You put on that fucking high heel boots, you put on that thigh high boots, you put on that fucking sexy dress, you put on that gown, you put on that blazer, you put on that suit, I don't care, and you strut down to that motherfucking coffee shop like you are the fucking celebrity that you are, period. Because icons do iconic behavior. They don't give a fuck what everyone else is thinking. I'm sorry, you're judging me. I'm an icon, you're the loser here. Make it make sense, okay? I love you guys so much. Just remember to become obsessed with yourself. That's the key. And I love you guys so much. If you want to work with me, everything is down below. But yeah, if you can just like send me good energy, send me good vibes, send me good prayers. I need all the help I can get. But I love you guys so much, and thank you. And remember, like I said, like, I use the passion, the anger, the passion to like really motivate you guys in this video. So never shy away or shy away from feeling angry, from feeling hurt, because it all can be used.